Today is May 25th. 09. Ian's first cereal! Let's try this. Oh! Alright, well. First one he spits out. Try number 2. Looks like he doesn't quite get it. Okay. Number 3. Alright, that one's better. Better? Oh.
It was.
Okay.
He doesn't quite understand the whole
Yeah, he
concept
doesn't.
yet. But you'll get it.
But it seems like he likes it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yay! You swallowed that one! Yay!
He's like, hey, this stuff's okay. I want some more of that.
It's my breast milk, that's why.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
Mixed in with the cereal?
Uh-huh. It says to mix in breast milk or formula.
Oh, well, since she doesn't eat formula, well, that makes sense.
Breast milk. So it's breast milk, water, and rice. Hey! Get, will you zoom out a little so you can get like a bigger picture?
That was a good picture. I'm,
Oh,
I'm
sorry.
doing. I'm the cameraman here. You the feeder. I'm the cameraman.
Okay. Okay, mister. Get back there. Oh. Get back. He's liking it. Yay! Let's clean up that chin. Yay! Oh, that's the nose. Dang, he's eating it now. His face though. Ready? Oh no, 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 don't grab the cup. Wow, look at that.
Keep it up.
Done.
Keep it up. He'll follow the spoon wherever the spoon's at.
Okay, lean back. I want you to get the whole picture.
You want me to get the whole picture?
The whole picture.
What whole picture?
Everything. Oh, you're very right. Just fade it more. Huh? Oh my gosh, he's taking it like nothing. This is so exciting. Yeah, at least you get to babysit. I'm just kidding. Too slow for you though, huh? Oh my goodness! Mom! Look! On the 4th try, he ate it like nothing. Eating mash. Okay. He loves it. No, qué hermoso.
He's so beautiful.
He wants it all though. It's too little, I think, for him.
Well, he's used to eating. He's eating until he's full, and now he's.
Está bien ready.
Hey!
I think that spoon is way too little for him.
It's too small, huh? But I guess it's right to...
I don't see any big ones for sale.
Well, I did water it down right now, so I could put it in a bottle. Okay, okay.
Did you put it in that cup that he can see?
No way, he'll spill it all. Okay, well, the thing
I think
is...
that's good for today.
Mm-hmm.
Let me put it in a cup. I mean, a bottle.